Well
welcome,
done, sir.
Oga.
Welcome. Welcome. So make we touch like this security equipment them we be say will be supposed get where no can get approval. What be the possibility say this equipment considering the topography of Nigeria and how bush our trail track then do. This surveillance and security equipment then they forfeit work for inside our country.
Say the equipment fit work for our country, but there are certain things where we for do first. It did the thing where we go do before the thing go begin the work perfectly. And the way when we start to pursue am, because maybe the minister self no talk wetin happen, why they refuse am. Because he take and go Federal Executive Council. Now for there they talk say this thing when you want make we approve for you, how they work. You know talk am. And then we decide we after looking at the thing, it be like say the people will bring up to them, no tell them all the things what the thing fit do. Because the way when they send them, if for no work well, because that kind of thing, number one, when they talk about light, it's supposed to get light. Supposed to get light. The train like that supposed to get internet. Internet inside. And then, here we get a train when don't run out of diesel.
Yes, sir.
And then they'll go buy diesel, come. Inside bush. That's not how it is supposed to work. Supposed to work well with light. And you can know that some of the ones when they hear an electric, they take the wrong. So the right one, if I go meet the people who sabi the thing well, make them tell them this is the right one where you go use. Say motor, all motor na motor, but you cannot carry Lexus motor go begin to do farm. Because the farm, the motor wey they use for farm, different from the motor wey they work out for road. So that's what it will be.
All right, Oga, a good say we would even discuss this matter because plenty Nigerians they vex on top of the situation we happen regarding the attack of the train. And they talk say this is not something we supposed to get ways to know before all these kind of things they happen. So moving to the situation now, when Oga Amechi don't talk say now because they no approve am, say they no get or other understanding say to put this kind of train for inside bush. Security is supposed to come first before they even approve to open that train in the first place. You don't think say this now they're supposed to look first before opening the train, sir?
Yeah, exactly. In fact, say now the problem we get for Nigeria here, if they build house, you go use about how many billions take build a house. But the small money where you go take do security, the time when you build the house, you no go talk. You no go even put on there. When you don't finish building the house, now you will come realize, okay, you need to put camera for your house, you need to put this security. Then you go now take hammer, begin to break the wall, say, now here where I go pass. Now here where I go pass. So it is wrong. The time when they start this train, then therefore just put also the security, because all the train where they work for this world, this train thing not be new thing, not be play where you go mass. Is the thing come on well. We said we don't get that before. So to make them work now, as people they use them now, is waiting we for think about. But I think the thing we they do before now to just quickly score political points. You see, so the hurry they do the thing, and then we know come put everything we're supposed to do there.
Very, very sad.
Okay, sir, say most of the time they always talk something about say why we not be proactive with measures of security. Now when it don't happen finish, we always try to want put things in place. Like last week over the weekend, Akali Baba don't deploy troops go there. Now, moving forward, you feel say all these troops the way they don't put for the stretch of the road, na a remedy to stopping some of these terrorist bandits from attacking again? You see them as a remedy?
At all. I don't think say that not the solution. You know, say like anything for this world, security na like medicine. Medicine, when if na malaria they worry me, na malaria medicine I go drink. If COVID come they worry me, COVID medicine self day. Sure you get. So the thing when the one use, you know, when we talk of security.
Network. People like say the network don't hang there. We hope Sir Ogaden is going to join us as we continue for inside that matter. I just like that word when you talk say security day like medicine. Okay, you see there? Sorry, we don't lose you briefly. Continue.
Yes,
we can hear you now.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So you know, go carry the medicine for malaria. Go give. The thing where we they do now is very difficult. You can't carry soldier, make them hold hand, even if they hold each other hand. The soldier will get no plenty reach the way when the railway line come long reach. So you understand?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
it is very difficult. The thing where they go use, they different. The medicine where they go use for this security problem, not be to carry soldier or mopole go full the line. There are other things when they market now. The things what they call drones. And these drones, not be only drones where you see, because there's some drones where if you go party like small drones where they fly around.
Yeah.
You know, if you go stadium, drones they there where they fly around inside the stadium, they take picture of people. Not with that kind of drone we talk about.
Okay.
This kind of drone, not be the one where go just see, tell them, say, see you, then they come. This kind of drone, when you see them, they can't know say that the people, those bandits or the terrorists, he go fire them because the drones they carry gun. You know, and at that time, that kind of one will make you begin to drive, they go inside bush. Because sometimes road no day for the place where the train day.
Okay, so Oga, during another statement will come out say during when this train then first starts, say a naval plane been they escort them, chopper been they escort the train them. So they don't also come out now contact say if this train they go continue resume work again. Say for now, naval aircraft be plane or chopper go they escort them they go. People come they talk say not be waste of resources, so they waste money like that and all that. How other obodo yibo countries then where they are trained they don't they work since? How do they take drum when they make sure say security they kajad?
Exactly.
How you see the matter?
Now the same thing where we they talk with this. You cannot go begin the how do I put it now? Begin to use train the waka and you begin to carry helicopter, they follow. That is too expensive. It's too expensive. You cannot sustain it. But when you are using drones, which are electric, and then you cannot shoot it down because this particular one, I wanted to tell you, they're for sky. You know, they're for sky. And then they see. When they see, they tell you there's a control room. When they call control room, where you go to see everything, where the drone they also see. And now you go tell the drones, you know, maybe they use Air Force people. Because Air Force people are very familiar with this kind of thing where they talk about. You know, and then now them go control the drone, tell them to shoot the people, where to shoot the people, and then of course, we go to say that cost effective. That man we say, you know, too cost to operate that kind of thing.
Oga, you know? as you don't talk this one, they want to just enter my mind because Oga El Rufai will be the governor of Kaduna State. Come out that last week, talk say the military officers know where these terrorists then they. say they suppose don't go their zone where they dey, their camp where they dey, scatter that place, declare war on them. Say they also listen to their calls, they get intelligence report on their calls, and they suppose don't forestall all of this thing before it happen. So this one when you say, for don't get drones and not get drones, remember say, now human beings go work with the drones and all that. So you feel say complicity be some kind magomago dey one corner, and this magomago for not work, if to say we use drone too.
Anyway, me, I know they like to enter politics because that statement when I refine, governor of Kaduna State, now politics in the play, you know, pure politics, because he has been told, you see, when you dey cure this kind of thing, besides the security issue, the best way to cure this thing is to go to that place and remove all those people where they there. This Rufai, when they talk, say he don't talk to them, he know where they dey and all that. Of course, he know where they dey, you know.
Network. Okay.
So we want to go hire mercenary, when the mercenary people come. That's a soldier went there for other country where you want to just do soldier work for you, make you pay them. Make he go bring them, because he knows why those people are there and he should be able to remove them, you know. But coming to play politics, begin tell people, we know why is, you know, maybe we know they blame each other for this one, because people when they do this thing know what they do. So make them go ahead and remove them, because if we don't remove these people, it will worry our country.
Okay, Oga Dennis, some people they talk say, since they talk about putting different things and they talk about the cost we will need to make sure say the security matter they all right on top this train track matter, people can't they insist, say, or they can't they drop suggestion. The reason why we they see plenty checkpoints for road when they travel from one state to another, army they road, police they road, different people they road, they check people vehicle. Say why they not fit deploy that kind method, carry security people them, plant them for like checkpoints for these train tracks for different areas, or in another way carry security personnel wey go dey follow each train they move every time, give them weapons, give them everything for inside the train, make them they move. If you say that one safe could fit be a way out, we no go too dey expensive.
This one not be that kind of thing. You know, I keep on saying it. They are using different medicine for the sickness where we get. You know, even Nigeria as a whole, the problem where we get, because this checkpoint where they talk about for road, you know the work. Even the head of Oga Police self no, IG no say, if boys they ask for money, they just they disturb people for road. You know how many times IG don't ask people, police say make them come on for road, make them remove. How many IG self don't talk about?
Yes.
Make them come on, because they know say they answer the problem where we get. Police no fit to solve the problem. Then you go call army come. And the army people, the police come, they show them how to make money too. You know, so that is not the medicine. The medicine is like any other country. Go to any other country, you don't go see checkpoint like we get inside Nigeria. Other countries, they do their own thing, no problem. You know, you don't go even see police for road. If you see police for road, maybe they're there for their car. They wait for people when they speed or do something like that.
Yeah.
You know, so our own to just put checkpoint and anybody call you.
All right.
That is not the answer.
All right, sir.
Now, still standing on the modus operandi, when we look the way forward, a security expert once talk say, why every time we always wait make things happen, why Nigerian soldiers, the army, they not engage them? Because that stretch of road, all those bushes, they say it leads to Naija, from there it still leads to Niger, that bush, if you follow them. So why Nigerian military not try to engage them rather than wait, make they call strike, now then we go to think of, okay, what we go do? Why we not engage them? what did they make our military see they slow to engage, they collaborate with the neighboring countries, them, their president. Last weekend, yeah, Niger had the
President.
the number just for Niger, even come Nigeria herself, visit Gudu. So why they not talk about this or they collaborate? Chase all these bandits they out of the bush, smoke them out. So why wait to make only them they attack all the time?
The thing we say, you know, this matter where we dey talk, he get him own kill leg, serious kill.
It's our network, they go. They come.
So if we look at itself, how the manage enter this country?
And a big question.
The immigration people know they there when they enter this country. And they enter the country because our border no they better. If you want to enter any other country, you will see the people of that, the police or our border just open. And people will just walk out enter. If they know they follow the main road, they enter. Said they enter, follow bush, they enter.
Yeah.
Some of them go carry cow enter because they say they be Fulani, but there are Fulanis will not be Nigerian Fulani. You know, so this kind of thing they now our soldiers, when you send them to go and kill these people, like the governor of Kaduna State don't talk about. They will go there, bomb them. You know, some people go tell you, oh, their brothers did there, oh, you cannot bomb them, oh, you know, and president said that anybody where you see with AK-47, shoot them. So me, I believe, say, the political.
The network no go let us again. Thank you so much, Oga Dennis Amakari. Waiting Oga Dennis talk now just remind me of the fact. See, some of the victims them of this Kaduna Railroad also talk. Say some of these people they won't even come attack them. Say most of them they don't even speak Nigerian language. They speak language where be say they no understand. Meaning say they no be Nigerians. Oga Dennis, thank you so much. Network no let us move for hear you well. Thank you plentifully as you join hand with us. Come touch like this matter well. I should say we don't learn one or two things, and we hope say the matters that be go listen, make themselves then take action this time today proactive and not today reactive as Ochiko don't talk. Thank you as you follow sit down for Inside Talk this morning.